Hi all. Today let's discuss about how to create website pages and edit layout in Odoo 14 website. So for that, we can directly go to website, and from here inside the module we can go to website. So we can see here from here we can change the website. So you can select website from create website, and here you can see the option in order to create a new page in your website. So just click on this. So you can see a lot of features shown here, and you can choose the first option in order to create a new page. So here we have to add the page title. So you can add a page title like about us, and if you wish to add a menu for your page, then you can enable this option. So it's already enabled by default, so just click continue. So after that you can see a new menu is created here, and it is possible to publish this page. So before publishing, we can add some blogs, some content to our page. So from here we can see we can add customization to our page. We can add details and add some customizations. Like you can see text image, so we can add text and image for your page. Then you can add title for your page. Then if you want to add picture, you can drag and drop like this way, and you can add big boxes features. Then we can add carousel for your website from here by dragging like this way. And when you go come down, you can see some features available. So you can see steps, and you can add timeline. So we can see the activity schedule from here. We can change the date here. Then it is also possible to add customization for each object. That is, we can style each object. So just click on the object, and you can see styling options available for each object. Like we can change the background color from here. So when you click on this, we can change the background color of button. Then we can add content width. So we can change the content width. Then you can set the height of your page object, and we can set scroll down button. Then here we can see some other options for the row. So the style options are shown depending upon the object that you have selected. Okay, so here you can see we can add columns. We can change the columns. You can see the columns have changed, and we can set the background color. We can add custom background. So you can see the background is changed, and we have also have some common options in order to change the number of columns, and some theme options which contains theme options for buttons, then font styles, then inputs. Then we also have some website settings. So after adding content to our web page, you can save this. Simply save this, or if you don't want to say that, you can discard this. And it's also possible to undo. So I'm just saving this. So after saving this, we can publish this page. So you have published your page. Okay, so we can see that. You can see the details here. And if you wish to again edit this page, it is so easy that just click on this edit. You can edit the web page. So in Odoo 14, we have a lot of snippets, new snippets. Uh, so if you want to know more about those snippets, just check our videos we have done. Then it is also possible to view total pages created. Like we can manage pages, and we can also manage page properties. So when you click on this manage pages, you can see all the pages and its URL, and we can see whether it is published or not. and we can see the page indexed by search engines. So we can also manage this page by that is we can change the settings, and it's also possible to clone this page, delete the page, and edit code in backend. And we can also mark whether to include the page in this page in main menu, and we can sort by URL and search our page from here. And it is also possible. Okay, so when you come back to a module, it is also possible to see the visitors, number of visitors who all visited our web page, and the last page visited. You can see the last action which is done by mutual admin, and you can also see all the views of our pages, website pages. And it is also possible to configure pages from here. So here you can see under configuration pages. So from here we can directly create website page. So you can see for there are different pages shown. You can see the view name, the page URL, and the website in which it is published, and you can see whether it is indexed or published, then last updated by which person you can see, then last updated date, then whether to track this page, that is used to allow to specify for one page of the website to be trackable or not. So I can create new web page directly by clicking create button. I can add the view name from here, and if you want to add a URL you can add that, and we can add a view here. So we can add a view for our web page, and then we can add the website in which, that is to restrict the web page publishing to a particular website. And we can track our page, and we can add related menus for the website page, and we can check whether it should be published, is published or not, and we can add the publishing date, then cache time can be seen. So in this way we can directly create web page from your module. So that's all about creating pages and editing layout in Odoo 14. If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.